We at Samsung Mobile have just introduced the Samsung Gear 2 and the Gear Fit, and we would like to take you through a quick look at some of the key features. So let's first start with the Gear 2. We've enhanced what you loved about the first Gear to create a second generation of a wearable device. Design improvements in Gear 2 were made with simplicity and aesthetics in mind, and it offers a slim, lightweight design with a premium finish that is both beautiful and functional. The camera has been moved from the strap onto the bezel. With this change, you can now easily change the straps to match your personal style. A variety of strap color options will be available, including charcoal black, gold brown, and wild orange. Also, we've added a home button here, so you can easily and quickly return to the home menu without having to flick all the way back. The Gear 2 is also equipped with a built-in heart rate sensor. The simple and lightweight design of the Gear 2 is also designed to be durable, as it's IP67 dust and water resistant. Also, Gear 2 has a longer battery life, which can last 3 times longer than our first Gear. With the new UX, you now have more options to choose from. You've got more clock options, and you can even change font settings. You have various wallpaper options as well. Also, you can take a picture with your Gear 2 and set it as your wallpaper. Let's go back to the home screen to check out my new wallpaper. By connecting the Gear 2 to your mobile device via Bluetooth, I can send and receive calls. So, my friend Olivia is calling me, and I'll receive the call on my Gear 2 by simply swiping the screen. By clicking here, you can continue to speak on your mobile device.
Hi, Sarah. Are you coming?
Yes, I'll be there in 10 minutes. And you can also go back to the Gear 2, just like so. So here, I can instantly check a text message from my roommate on my Gear 2. I can also respond to messages using the S-Voice feature.
What's your message?
Look under the coffee table.
Here is your message.
And the message will be sent right away. Send.
Sending message. Okay, I sent it.
Now, with the built-in heart rate sensor, the Gear 2 can monitor, inform, and track your fitness status in real time. Let's open up the exercise app to see how it works. I don't want to do anything too intense, so I'll go for a walk. I'll set the workout time to 30 minutes. Press start, and as you can see, the heart rate sensor is activated right away. When I start my workout, the Gear 2 starts tracking my heart rate, distance walked, and calories burned. Once I'm done with my workout, I can check detailed statistics around my workout activity. While it works well as a paired device, Gear 2 can also function as a standalone device. Let's see how this works with a Bluetooth headset. It has internal memory, so you can just transfer your songs onto your Gear 2 from your PC or your smartphone. With Watch on Remote, the Gear 2 can control your electronic devices using the embedded infrared LED sensor. So here, I can easily adjust the volume controls, and turn it off without having to look for my remote control. Along with the Gear 2, we've also introduced a new wearable device, the Gear Fit, which lets you stay physically active without sacrificing personal style or mobile connectivity. The Gear Fit is the world's very first wearable device with a curved 1.84-inch Super AMOLED touchscreen display. At 27 grams, it's light enough that you hardly notice it on your wrist. Despite its sleek design, it's also very durable, being IP67 dust and water resistant. You can easily remove and change to different color straps, such as charcoal black, wild orange, and mocha gray. So here, let me show you how you can personalize your device. You can choose from various options to customize the clock on the home screen, as well as the wallpaper to reflect your personal taste. The Gear Fit has a built-in heart rate sensor for real-time fitness coaching. Let's go for a run with Gear Fit. Before I start my workout, I'll set my workout distance to 5 kilometers. Just press start, and it automatically starts tracking your heart rate to provide you with personalized tips and recommendations during your workout. As you can see, you can check detailed statistics around your workout activity here. When it's connected to a Galaxy device via Bluetooth, Gear Fit becomes much more than an everyday fitness band. You can easily check instant notifications right away. I can simply swipe to reject a call or respond with preset text templates. And I can check text messages here as well. I can even check longer messages by scrolling down on the device. As you can see, I can also receive instant notifications from various apps on the Gear Fit. Thank you for watching. This was the official hands-on video for the Samsung Gear 2 and the Gear Fit. Please stay tuned for more information at the Samsung Mobile YouTube channel.